How to add people on Snapchat web. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can add people on Snapchat web, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to add people on Snapchat web, all you have to do is go to web.snapchat.com and make sure that you're signed into your account. So once you go to web.snapchat.com and then you make sure that you're signed into your account, you're going to be able to see this type of interface, right? Now the new version of Snapchat does allow you to view and add friends and people on Snapchat web. You just have to click on this add icon over here. Then here you can see the people that have sent your request. But if you want to send it to the certain person, you just have to try searching for the username here. And once you've done that, just click on the add option on the right hand side of the screen. And once you click on add, you will be able to go ahead and then add them as a friend. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically add someone on Snapchat or people on Snapchat web. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.